This will be the third part of me looking into the Web Cartoon Maker program and how you can use that to make animated movies. In the Web Cartoon Maker, you use programming to make the animation. In the first movie, I showed how you can set up a scene, load images into the scene, set them to visible, and move them about. In the second movie, I showed how you could use a character for making animations, and I also showed the scale command. In this third part, I am going to look into some other commands that you can use together with images or with characters. First, I'd like to say something about the way that I like to organize the code. The scene is a function called scene1. You will have a curly bracket at the start of the function and another one at the end of the function. In the first line, I set the movie size. That is how big the output video file will be in width and height. After that, we load in the images, and in case we have characters, we load them in at this point as well. The order in which these are loaded is important. In this case, sky will be drawn first, and then the plane will be drawn on top of sky. And that is the way we would like to have it. Next, I will set the initial values for the images or the characters, and after that I set them to visible. Without that, the images will not be seen at all. And finally, we have all the commands for the actual animation. This is the code from the first movie, and what we get when we compile the code is a plane flying across a sky. What is used here is commands for setting and changing the position of the images. In the second movie, we looked at the scale commands. We will now look at a command that has not been covered by the two first movies, and that is the angle command. This command is used to rotate an image. We will make a new post in the timeline using set time at 2 seconds, and we will use the command plane change angle, and we'll set the angle to -720. That is 2 rotations in the anti-clock direction, and we will set the duration time to 6. And the plane rotates twice, anti-clockwise. We have a set angle command that takes 1 parameter, and that is the angle in degrees. A positive value is turning clockwise, and a negative value is turning anti-clockwise. We also have a change angle command with 2 parameters, and the second parameter is the duration of time. We will now look at the transparency command. This command will take a parameter that is a transparency value between 1 and 0. 1 is fully transparent, invisible, and 0 is no transparency at all, that is fully visible. We have a set transparency command and a change transparency command. The change transparency command also will have a time duration parameter. Being able to flip an image can be very useful. You can do that in the Web Cartoon Maker with the command set mirror. Set mirror true will flip the image, and set mirror false will fit the image back. Finally, I will say something about the camera commands. Sometimes it is better to move the camera than to move the images, or sometimes you might want to combine movements of camera and of images. The web cartoon maker comes with a number of commands for moving the camera that corresponds to the commands for moving images. There are positioning commands for the camera that corresponds to the position commands for the images. There are zoom commands for the camera that corresponds to the scale commands for images. And there are angle commands for rotating the camera, corresponding to the angle commands for the images. I hope this has been useful, and bye for now.